Welcome once again in English grammar class, dear students. Today we are going to take two tenses, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense, and you are going to learn how and when to use these two tenses, and most importantly how these differ from each other. So keep watching until end. First of all, let's look when to use these two tenses. What are the similarities between present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense? Both these tenses are used for finished and unfinished actions. Both focus on action that started and happened in the past, and there is present connection. Now let's remind ourselves of the form of two tenses. The present perfect tense is formed with has or have plus third form of verb. For example, I have painted the sitting room. To make it negative, we add not after has or have, and to make interrogative sentences, we add has or have in the beginning of the sentence. Okay? Similarly, present perfect continuous tense is formed with has or have plus been plus ing form of verb. To make it negative, we need to add not between has or have and been, and to make interrogative sentences, has or have is put in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, is it clear? Now look at these two sentences. Do they mean the same thing? No, there is difference between two sentences. So let's see what are the differences between present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Always remember that present perfect tense is used to express an action recently completed and an action that was completed in past but whose effect can be felt at the time of speaking. And present perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that began in the past, is in progress at the time of speaking, and will continue for some time in future. And when we want to lay more stress on the total time or duration of action that is going on. Now look at these two sentences. In these, first one is in present perfect because action is here finished, the movers are done, our old house is empty. And the second is written in present perfect continuous because here the action is ongoing, the movers are still taking our stuff to the new house. Okay, now similarly look at these two sentences. In the first, it is written in present perfect because here I am done, I am not trying anymore. But in the second sentence, still I am going to continue trying. There is an ongoing action. Okay, now let's discuss four situations, different situation of these two tenses. Present perfect continuous tense can be used to emphasize the amount or length of time that has passed, whereas present perfect is generally neutral. Okay, and we all know that present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about a continuous but not necessarily finished action or situation, whereas present perfect tense is used to talk about finished action or situation. For example, I have been watching the TV series you recommended. Here, action is still in continuity. I am still watching it. And in the second sentence, I have watched the TV series you recommended. Action is completed. Now, we know that we can't use the present perfect continuous tense with stative verbs. So what are stative verbs? Stative verbs describe states or situations that generally don't change. These describes our emotions, our feelings, and things to do with our minds and thoughts. Love, hate, remember, believe, be, know, belong. All these are stative verbs, and these are only used with present perfect continuous tense. For example, I have known her for years. I have been knowing her for years. Here, first sentence is correct one. Now it's your turn to complete the sentences either in present perfect tense or present perfect continuous tense. Till the next class, happy learning to all.